My name is Javon Cooper. I'm part of Greater Westtown Class 90.
My name is Brilliant Swan. I'm in Greater Westtown, the 90th cohort for this class.
Hey, my name is Deshaun, and I'm in Woodworking Class 90.
What about like about woodworking? There's a host of things that woodworking offers for us, as far as laminating, veneering, learning the wood identifications.
What I love about woodworking is the challenge that it brings to me. I like the fact that every day is not the same repetition of working in a factory with packaging products. The difference with woodworking is that every day I basically have to meet the demand of my employer, or maybe myself if I'm working for myself doing a side project, or using my creativity and my mind to bring an object or a vision to reality. And to me that is fun. And also an example would be Japanese joinery. It's something that I love about woodworking. The art of wood preservation with shotsugi band, and also Japanese joinery with kawi sugai.
I'm just really interested because of not only like we're learning about just how to machine the parts, but we're also learning on how to like other ways to manipulate wood. And it's not even going to be all about wood in here. Of course, it's going to be like other materials that we use, acrylic, aluminum, other things.
My career goals for woodworking is basically to one day own my own workshop, or have the ability and knowledge to be a supervisor or manager over a workshop or with a company. How did Greater Westtown Partnership prepare me for a job in woodworking? Greater Westtown Partnership prepared me for a job in woodworking by basically giving me the knowledge of the skills I need to be a certified woodworker. So for instance, the skills that I acquired here were mostly learning about wall paneling, making veneer, how to do simple cabinetry, how to do a nightstand, and those skills prepared me. Then even outside of the skills I learned in the wood shop, with my math classes, getting good with making my cuts and solving different problems, and even the emotional support of the day-to-day life. And Greater Westtown has helped me get through that.
Future career as far as in woodworking, the person that they're looking at, I want them to know that they're experienced in CNC machining, sawing, drilling, finishing, installation. We know our wood specifications, that we have a great knowledge, all around knowledge, of taking lumber to its desired creation.
Is there anything I want my future employer to know about me as a woodworker? Yes, I want my future employer to know that I am a unique individual. I have a tenacity to perform the best and not give my less, and always meet and overcome all obstacles. And I'm going to be creative and try to be innovative.
I feel like most about me can be just like shown rather than just talked about. But I feel like for the most part, I am pretty like energetic whenever it comes to like stuff that I'm passionate about. So if they're gonna have me on something, best believe I'm gonna be on my best job. I'm gonna be on my best work out there.
What are my best skills in woodworking? My best skills in woodworking, I'm not sure what they actually are because I'm still developing skills, but I know what I love so far from working in woodworking is that I love the fact from working with veneer and making wood patterns from veneer, and even learning how to stain and leave certain finishes. and that would be one of my best skills because I think I have innovative ideas.